नमस्ते दोस्तों। आज मुझे बहुत अच्छा सरप्राइज मिला अनअकैडमी की तरफ से। As you know, I have been an educator at Unacademy since 2017. Let's start with unboxing the surprise gift with Unacademy. Alright, here it goes. Now, as we see, there is a thermocol, and when we remove it away, then comes the brand Unacademy, and it looks grand, it looks awesome, and it's very heavy. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. Okay, looks cool, looks cool. Let's find out what's inside it. I'm as excited as you are, and it's sealed, so give me a moment so that I can open it up and see what the surprise Unacademy has for me. And here is the trophy that Unacademy sent me. It says Nitin Gaurav Srivastav, 1 million watch minutes by Unacademy. So that's a really sweet gesture by Unacademy. I have been with Unacademy since 2017, I guess. And it has been an awesome journey. I have millions of, I don't think millions, but I think around 25,000 followers. And millions of watch minutes, and more importantly, great valuable feedback, the currency of love, the awesome comments that you guys have made. So thank you Unacademy for this awesome surprise.